Voice over. The second key element or component of any YouTube video is the voiceover. A voiceover is when someone talks over a video, explaining what's happening or providing additional information about the video. A voiceover provides context, an explanation, or commentary to complement the on-screen visuals. 1. Use your own voice. You should practice using your own voice for voiceovers. One of the most common misconceptions that prevents people from using their own voice is the belief that they sound funny or dislike the sound of their voice when they hear it played back. This reaction is natural and happens to everyone. Most people don't like the sound of their own voice when they hear it recorded. This can all be overcome by investing in a good quality microphone or even using your latest iPhone mic. This is important. Otherwise, the quality of your voice recording will be poor. Avoid using the built-in mic on your laptop, no matter how expensive it is. Even a decent mobile phone has a better microphone than most laptops. Poor audio quality will cause viewers to stop watching your video, and the YouTube algorithm will not promote videos with poor audio. However, if English is not your first language or you have an accent issue, it might be challenging to use your own voice. 2. Ask friends or family members who have a pleasant-sounding voice. If English is not your first language or you have an accent issue, it might be challenging to use your own voice for voiceovers. In such cases, consider asking friends or family members who you believe have a pleasant-sounding voice. They can help bring clarity and a professional touch to your videos. This approach allows you to maintain a personal connection in your videos, even if you're not the one speaking. 3. Hire a freelancer outsource. Fiverr and Upwork are the top platforms for hiring freelancers for voiceovers. These platforms offer a wide range of talented professionals from around the world, making it easy to find the perfect voice for your project. There are several factors to consider when hiring freelancers. Look for experienced freelancers, not newbies. Make sure that the freelancer you are going to hire has experience that is pertinent to your specific niche. Avoid those freelancers that are jack of all trades and master of none. Always make it a habit to ask for sample voiceover works, as these will give you a good idea of the freelancer's experience and exposure. Ensure that the samples are relevant to your niche. You do not need to hire Native American voiceover artists, as they tend to be more expensive. There are thousands of freelancers on both platforms from Asia, Africa, and Eastern Europe who are equally skilled and affordable and have an American accent. Make sure they have a conversational tone, emphasizing certain words and slowing down when necessary. It's important to differentiate between a voiceover artist and someone merely reading the script in a monotone. The latter will not perform well with the YouTube algorithm. On average, expect to pay above US $45 for a voiceover. You must set clear deadlines and be specific about when you expect the freelancer to submit the task. Remember that many freelancers are in different time zones, so make sure to specify the exact date and time for task completion and ensure that they adhere to this timeline. Don't forget to check the reviews and feedback of the freelancer. Also, consider the total number of completed tasks before hiring any freelancer. Remember to choose a native speaker for your target audience. If you are based in the US and targeting North America, opt for a Native American speaker. If you are targeting Germany, go for a native German speaker. If you are aiming for a Spanish audience, select a native Spanish speaker. Always ask for samples before finalizing your choice to ensure they are a good fit. 4. Use AI software that converts text to speech. There are numerous AI software tools that can convert text to speech effectively. These are available in both free and paid versions. While the free options have many limitations and are not recommended for long-term use, you can try them out to decide which one you would like to purchase. The following are 6 of the best text-to-speech software that we have shortlisted for you. The links to their websites are provided in the video description below. All of these AI tools are equally good and are not listed in any particular order. Number 1. Lovo.ai. Number 2. Wellsaidlabs.com. Number 3. Murph.ai. Number 4. Resemble.ai. Number 5. Play.ht. Number 6. 11labs.io. All of these AI softwares are very easy to use. Let us check out Well Said Labs. You can see here the options to choose your type of content. You have options such as podcast, training module, social media. Next, we have some choices of male and female voiceovers to choose from. Let's see how they sound like.
Proper filing of TPS reports is an essential skill in an office environment. In this video, we'll learn how to access the reports and which signatures are needed.
Not bad. This is coming from the laptop speaker. If you download the voice, the quality is better. We can also have a female voiceover.
Proper filing of TPS reports is an essential skill in an office environment. In this video, we'll learn how to access the reports and which signatures are needed.
Let us check out Lovo.ai. I have a paid membership of this application and have logged in. Click on Create a Project and you will be redirected to a new window. This is where you put in the text to convert into speech. Make sure there are no typo errors or spelling mistakes. Then click on Generate to convert it text into speech. Once it's converted it, you can click on the play button to listen to it, and you can also download the file if you click here. Let us listen to the voiceover.
Okay, welcome to our channel where we are going to review the latest iPhone 15 Pro Max. The iPhone 15 Pro Max maintains that sleek, premium feel with its stainless steel frame and matte glass back. It comes in some stunning new colors this year. What do you think of the design?
Click here where it says Nicole, which is the name of AI-generated voiceover artist. You'll find a wide range of voiceover accents available, tailored for different formats such as audiobooks, narration, podcasts, and more. There are also voiceovers in different languages like Spanish, Arabic, etc., and a whole range of other options to choose from. All of these AI voiceover softwares have a similar interface and are very easy to use. The decision on whether to use your own voice, enlist a friend or family member, hire a freelancer, or utilize AI software ultimately depends on several factors. These factors include your budget constraints, your comfort level with recording and presenting, as well as the specific requirements and quality expectations for your project. Each option offers distinct advantages and considerations, influencing how you choose to proceed with your voiceover needs.